Catching YouTube, back again for another video. I'm Ketchum Shiny, this is Pokemon Go, and we have eggs. So first up, let's check them, hatch them. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, no shinies, but that's okay. So, first things first, today is, what day is it? Tuesday, October the 8th. We got Professor Ketchum Shiny, I'm glad you're here. Reports of Team Go Rockets. It's a rocket time. Troublemakers. Are you able to investigate? Let's go find out. So, Galar Calling, Catch 15, Part 9 of 19. Spin and defeat 3 rockets. Masterball Work Research, Part 1 of 4. Might as well clear this. See what we're doing. And not a shiny. Alright, here we are. We're back. Part 2 of 4. Catch 300, make 100, and transfer 50. No problem. So, we'll get catching, we'll get spinning, grunting, throwing. Let's see here. So, on my Poke Bundle Bounty, Part 2. A few more eggs. I gotta walk a bit, so we'll get to that. Alright. Power up 3 times. Alright. Power up. Let's get our daily coinage and our stamp of the day. Boom. October 8th. Alright, well let's see if Wifey wants to go out and play some Pokemon. Wifey, you want to go out? Alright, we're going out. We'll see you in a bit. Alright gang, we're back. Got the clicker running. Don't forget, use your daily incense, but me and Wifey, we got some Dialga roar going on, so we're pausing. So we're going to get an hour for 35 Dialga candy. So, Galarian birds, look out. We haven't found one, but we want one. Anyway, while we're here, 9 of 19, let's collect. And collect. And, ooh, Pancham. I would love him shiny. Alright, Professor is back. Blah, blah, blah. What do we got? 10 of 19. Catch 15, transfer 10, defeat 6. And we're still working on our catches, our throws, deletion. Alright, well, I'll be back. Alright, gang, we're back. It's a wet one out. It's rainy. Anywho, 10 of 19. Let's collect. We've been beating up some grunts.
What did Wifey get?
Wifey, she got a shiny. What'd she get? Oh, but first off here, leader. So we'll go find some. But let's check out what Wifey got. So making some good progress, throwings. But the black sheep. I got one. I had an extra. I was going to give to the Wifey, but now she got her own, so I could keep mine. But good job, baby. Alright, let's keep catching, throwing, and leaders. I'll be back. Alright, gang, we're back. We just beat Arlo. Let's see what we get. Oh, yeah, an egg. Right on. So, 1 leader down. Not shiny. Alright guys, we got Sierra down. Not shiny. Just need our Cliff. Alright guys, we found Cliff. Let's catch it. Shall it be shiny? No. Alright, we're back. Accidentally clicked one of them. But let's claim 11 of 19. Ooh, Giovanni. Bad news, suspicious. Giovanni's up to his old tricks again. So, find the boss, battle the boss, beat the boss. Let's do it. I feel like they're gonna stop us after this one.
Be the boss.
Alright, first one I checked, there's the boss. Time to boss him. Alright, I found him, I beat him, I showed him what's up, told him who's boss. Defeated, and Heatran, 1818. What was yours, baby?
Yours is no good.
Mine's no good?
No good.
Mine's no good. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Nope. Total turd.
Total turd.
Alright, so 12 of 19. Let's check it, claim it. Claim, claim, claim. And Professor, yada, yada, yada. So where are we? Ooh, we get 13 and 19. Catch, spin, defeat. Alright, well, let's stay at it. Alright guys, I'm hanging out at a cart corral because it's rainy out. But we have part 13 and 19 for the Galarian calling. Let's check it out. Professor, great job. Keep an eye on things. 14 of 19 gives us an egg. And Absol. Meh. Alright, so Galarian calling done. 15 and 19. Further than I thought they'd let us. Anyway, we'll see that some other time. But for now, catch another 38 Pokemon, and I will be back. Hey guys, we're back. It's late, but oh, there we go. Masterball part 2 of 4. Done, done, done. And what do we get? Farfetch'd. Alright, part 3. Catch 350, defeat 25. Holy roly. And catch 75 species. So, not going to be doing that tonight, but we are so close on the eggs in the distance. I'll keep chipping away at this, but for now, that's it. Go down below, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always,
Happy hatching!
happy hatching.